Hello, my friends. I am really excited to share these products with you today because one is, missing and we needed to add her. The other one is gorgeous and the other one is a little bit more, I'll show you in just a second. Here we go. Number one. Do you all remember when we came out with Slimline Liam? This is Liam. Look how cute he is. He is seriously like a paper doll, or he could be on a card. He's mini Slimline in size. We also released Kirsten. Well, excuse me, Katie was not happy about that because Katie isn't in there. So here is Katie with her pigtails. Now, she also comes with a cute little swimming suit, and I have lots of fun samples to share with you. But rest assured, my friends, all of the clothing is interchangeable. So you're able to interchange just like our regular little peeps. These are our bigger ones. These are the mini Slimline size, but you can also interchange all of their clothing as well. So look at how cute that little girl is. And I have more samples to show you in just a second. We also released, and this one went through quite a few revisions. I finally at one point just said, okay, forget it. I'm not going to do it. And then I went back to it like a year later and I said, okay, let's make this work. And it is so awesome because it is a drop-in die set. And what it does is it's a little different. I've done one similar 100 years ago, but it is the inside card. Hang on, let me explain it better. So what it does is, so this is a front. You can decorate the front any way you want. You're going to use the inside to make this pop-up flower. Look at how awesome that is. Now, the die inside is also, see this all the way around, is also a layering die. So it's going to layer on the inside of your A2 card bases. So it's going to layer on the inside. Now, you're getting all of these amazing flowers. You're getting, how many flowers? You're getting 1, 2, plus this one over here. You're going to take this flower, and I'll do a video on this, rest assured. We're going to take this one and lay it down so those notches line up with those notches and run it through our die cut machine. Then you're going to be able to decorate it any which way you want. And look at this. Are you ready? Get set. Oh, look at those fun little flowers. And we have these little extra pieces that just kind of pop up. See how those little extra pieces just pop up? Isn't that cute? I just love it. Look at that flower. I love that flower. Here's another one, which I really love. You are one cherished lady. Ready? Wait for it. Hello. Look at that flower, you guys. Isn't that fun? We got the cute little flowers that just pop up. That you can put those anywhere. Those are optional and you can put them anywhere on the card base, which is really fun. Last but not least, I got our football, I got our baseball, I got our basketball, and all of the volleyball people were complaining. Not complaining. They were saying, where's our volleyballs? Well, boom, there it is. We now have a volleyball background. And you know what? The team had a lot of fun with this one. So here we go. Just cut it out. Boom, done out of white. Isn't that fun? Or let's talk about beach volleyball. Let's talk about beach volleyball. This also, the volleyball is from the pennant, fold it, but look at how cute that is. See you at the beach. And that see you at the beach is a sneak peek. Just saying. Here we go. There it is. HHBD. Happy, happy birthday. May all your dreams come true. Sorry, I won't sing. Here's another one. Make today epic. I love that. And also, you're my MVP. Now, let's jump in and look at some more Katie samples. But look at this. On a 5x7 with the volleyball in the background, she is ready to be a volleyball champion, isn't she? Or she can be a softball champion. Look how cute she is with that little hat on. Or she can just be all dressed up and ready to go in her mini Slimline outfit. Oh, and this one has a cute little inside. Here's another one at the beach. I love it. At the beach. You could also add your wiggly eyes to these if you want to. Look at how fun. Now, if you have littles in your life, cut these out of felt and let them make their own paper dolls on a flannel board. Wouldn't that be so much fun as well? Or imagine these as little stuffies. I love that. Now, a couple more samples of the flower on the inside. Here is another gorgeous one. Those little flowers can just pop in. We did add the layering dice to the flower, the little inside flowers if you want to, but look at how gorgeous that is. Here is another one. Ooh, it's got a belly band on it. Let's open it up. Are you ready? Get set. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, this one didn't pop out. It got inverted. Hang on, let me fix it. It got inverted. Whoopsie. Whoopsie, whoopsie. Hang on, let's fix it. There we go. There we go. Look at how cute that is. Isn't that awesome? So beautiful with those colors. Now, last but not least, here's another cute one. Ready? Always. Look at that flower. So you're going to use this flower a lot. Look how gorgeous it is on the front or even part of the belly band. So beautiful. Okay, my friends, first 24 hours, you know, I know you know, and you know, I know you know, that the first 24 hours are on our website. They are on flash sale. So go check out our website, stampsoflife.com. But the nice thing about our website is club members get a sale every single day. They get 15 to 20% off our entire website, every single item, every single day, every single order. I love saying that. Every single item, every single day, every single order. So go check that out, stampsoflife.com. And you know what? I'll see you there. Bye-bye.